In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily ignore calls from specific user or from group of people without blocking them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Phone. Here we can easily find Silence Unknown Callers feature, and we can use it to silence all the calls from unknown callers. To do that, just activate it, and this will allow you to ignore all calls from unknown numbers. Calls will still come to your phone, but at this time the phone will not ring, and then you will see this call in the missed calls and you can call back if you want to. That's how we can easily ignore unknown callers, and now I'm gonna show you how we can ignore specific users. To do that, we need to go back to Settings, and here we can easily find Focus. If we get into it, we'll see some focus modes here that are made by Apple. We can configure one of these ones, or we can create new one by tapping right here at this plus. I prefer to use Do Not Disturb focus mode to ignore all calls except those from people who are important to me, so I configured it in this way. Once we are at some focus mode settings, we need to get into people here, and then we can add all the users to an exception list right here by tapping at this plus. If I tap right here, it will open up Contacts book, and from here I can select users whom I would like to add to my exceptions list, and then to continue we just need to hit at Done. After that, at the top we can choose if we allow or not allow notifications from this list of users while we are on the selected focus mode. And by selecting silence notifications from, we can customize this mode to block only calls from selected users. Then to activate focus mode, all you have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. That's where we'll find focus. If we tap right here, it will show us the same focus modes here, and we can activate Do Not Disturb simply by tapping on it. Also, right from here, in the same way, we can deactivate it, and also we can do so right from here if we tap at that half moon icon, just like that. Also, we can activate focus mode for a short period of time. To do that, hit right here at 3 dots, and here we can activate it for 1 hour until this evening or this morning maybe, or until I leave this location. If we go to settings, from here we will be taken to the same page where we can configure that focus mode. Basically, guys, that's how we can easily ignore calls from a specific users without blocking them. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.